very welcome back to Unstable TV. So we're moving away this time. We're gone. We're out here.
Bye.
But before we get into this, if this is your first time on the channel, do not forget to
Like, subscribe, comment, share. If you like travel videos and packing videos like this, hit that bell because there's going to be a few more. And if you're back with us again, thanks.
So today we asked you guys on the live stream previously, do you want to see us doing unpacking? We also done a poll to ask you guys if you want to see that. And we had a great response from you all. So we're going to show you a bit of packing before we leave.
Absolutely. So we have our rucksacks and we have our vacuum pack bags. We hope we can bring everything with us. If not, that's a bit upsetting. We're going to try though. So we first tried with a 66 litre and I had a little bit of space left. So we got two 85 litre ones. Will they work?
Let's find them.
So let's get packing.
So first up we have
the 85 litre rucksack. Look at this. So here it is, all the compartments. Loads of storage space down here. There's another one up here. There is adjustable straps as well, so if you're tall or small, this bag's for you. Well, we hope. A rain cover. I'm going to show you what it's like inside. And there it is.
Let's get right in there.
Probably can't see it all, but that's the space.
Yep.
So this goes down, like, this is far. This goes down far. This is our bags, and we have. Yeah, we're not bringing too much though. I don't actually think we have too much to bring, really, do we?
We've minimised it to very little.
Yeah.
So it's more just kind of personal items and only stuff that's really valuable to us.
Yeah. So personal items, clothes, a couple of pairs of runners, but they might go in a backpack that we carry on the plane with us. That's kind of it, really. Not much.
So let's get cracking with the vacuum sealer.
Ooh, let's go.
So here we have our vacuum pack bags. And this is what's going in. We have our teddies.
And more teddies. So the two bags of teddies you see in there, all of them were in one bag. All of them were in one vacuum pack bag in a smaller rucksack than we have now, with loads of clothes. So we're hoping if we split them out and then put, you know, my clothes in one rucksack, James' clothes in the other, we should be fine.
Yep.
We know people are going to be like, is a man bringing all stuff like that over? But we don't plan on moving back, so we want to have all the personal stuff that, you know, we got each other with us as well. So, yeah, that's the reason. So, give out to us in the comments. So, just make sure that's always closed properly because sometimes it's not. Just make sure it's nice and tight.
So that's the vacuum pack teddies you just seen being vacuumed.
Now, I know it looks like it's taking up a lot of space, but I mean, like, there's loads of space still. There we go, loads of space left. I know it genuinely doesn't look it. It looks like it's just nearly full, but we promise you it's not. There's so like look how far I'm going still and even all that room.
It's definitely the way to go.
Now it's time for the clothes. Let's see how they work. So this is pretty much all of the clothes I'm bringing because we can buy more over there. We just need something to start with. So let's vacuum pack and see what happens. Heavy. Right, let's try and put it in a bag and see what happens. So there's my clothes and stuff. You can't really see it too well, but there is still more space. If you can see it, I don't know. We don't really have much more left to bring, to be honest. So yeah, and then there is pockets at the side here as well. Another pocket here. And another pocket down the bottom for just a bit more space. But yeah, it's actually, what do you think?
That's perfect.
I think we're going to be alright with just 2 bags, do you?
Yeah, just about.
There we go.
Are you ready? Ooh. So here's the lovely folding job that totally wasn't done by Danielle. This is great. So the vacuum pack did not go as planned, so I have to move the jeans, the same what happens with Danielle's. So we're going to have to unvacuum pack it again, but we'll get there. So vacuum pack part 2, we're going to try and seal this again. We move the jeans around and hopefully it'll go in perfect.
So that's it, more on the overstone, and we have to do it again. So, take 3.
So we're going to turn these jeans into a pair of shorts with some DIY tips from Danielle.
Oh, hello. So you just need a scissors and a pair of jeans. Let's go. Here's our lovely model. Say hello.
Hello.
So measure the jeans up to your waist.
So there.
And so your knee, the knees here, that's where we want them to actually be. So cut them about here so you can roll them up. So obviously a fabric scissors is better, but the normal scissors, they do work. You can still cut them. Doesn't have to be a perfect straight line or anything like that, because they're going to be folded anyway. So might take a little bit longer because it's not a fabric scissors, but it's fine. And here is the finished product. Once turn around, look at them. Look at them. You wouldn't even know they were just jeans before. Look at that. How do you feel about your new jeans?
Ready to race.
Your new shorts even, sorry.
Yes, jean shorts, ready to race.
There we go. Stunning. Stunning.
So after 800 attempts with the vacuum packing of the clothes, we got there. So it's in the bag now.
Yeah.
We're just going to show you that now.
We know the clothes are like right up here, but the way it worked with the other one was loads of back here has still got loads of space. And then you can't see it, but there's space in the bottom of it as well. It's because whatever way we tried to put 2 vacuum packs in together, one went in the bottom, one went in the top. So there's like space still in the bottom and the top, so that's fun.
Yeah.
But it fits, it's fine. And it's light enough as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not too bad on the back. We're not usually used to rucksacks, but they're not actually, because we tried them on as well.
Yeah.
So I think at the end of this, we'll do just a little us trying our rucksacks on.
Yeah, we will. Absolutely.
But so far, it's nice and packed. So we're going to just pack all our private stuff and we will be back.
Absolutely. Sorry about the light. We're trying. But yeah, that's fine. So eventually we are all packed.
We're finally done. We had some trouble with the vacuum pack bags, so we just had to end up following everything anyway.
Yeah, they just, like, if we were using one, it might have worked, but it just wasn't really working out.
So let's show you what we actually have in the end. We have a backpack, a rucksack, 2 suitcases, a laptop, and shout out to Life for Work for the stickers, and Heat My Shorts, make sure you check them out, and another rucksack.
That is all we're bringing. We also have a couple of bits left that are going to be over to us in a couple of months.
Yeah.
Because we couldn't fit everything in. But we have all the important stuff. Clothes for a little while. Work stuff.
I think that's it.
That's it. So, we're going to try on the rucksacks and see what they look like. And then you can laugh at us.
Oh yeah, we couldn't not have a rucksack trial. Let's do this. Danielle's going first.
So here we go. And the rucksack is on. And it is packed and it is fine. Just try not to wobble too much because I'm not used to the weight in my back yet, but it's actually not that bad. Like, the weight is perfect. And it's perfect on my back as well because the adjustable things on it. So it's fine. Ready to go. Ooh. How's that?
Not too bad once you get on the back.
Yeah, it's alright, isn't it?
The initial like trauma up onto you. And just getting used to carrying something like this. But yeah, have a look.
Think you're ready to go?
Mousse glaze.
How does it feel?
It's no backpack, I'll tell you that much. Have a look.
Looks like a traveller.
Oh, do you hear all that crack? That's someone who hasn't squatted in ages.
Looks good. And then we have these with us, and then that's it. Are we ready to go? We're literally leaving like in about 20 minutes for the airport though.
Yeah, so we're looking forward to going to the airport and we're going to be streaming. Don't know when this video is going up, but it'll be up.
Exactly. So you'll see it anyway. So that's, you've seen everything that we packed, and that's our packing vlog. This is our first packing vlog, so sorry if it wasn't great, but yeah, that's it.
Yeah, let us know what you guys think about this in the comments down below. If there's any type of tips, maybe you might want us to do shorter videos on it, let us know and we'll do shorter videos for you guys.
Absolutely, and thanks for watching.
That's been our 2 cents, and we will chop ourselves out of this.